I love the fake drone shot. So just getting down low and go, go, go. And you get closer to things, it makes it look like, I don't know, faster, more real. I do it heaps of my Instagram content. So just another simple thing you could do to create a bit of an effect is just like, you know, spinning around in your environment. You don't have to do it fast. You can be like, look at this, look at this, look at this. And then there's the, whoa, something just happened, like camera shake. You get like, whoop. Where'd you go? There's so many things you can do to create a transition. Even just like, I've seen like viral GoPro stuff where it's literally just like they go from scene to scene and the transition is just this. And then they're somewhere else. I just think this is one of the best challenges for before you start editing, because you'll realize there's so much you can do before you waste your time sitting at a computer trying to create the effect digitally when reality is like much more malleable. That initial hook, like people talk about it so much these days, it is important. Standing far away from the camera and yelling at it can have more impact than creating some kind of voice effect in post. How can you basically create an effect or deepen the experience for the viewer without editing? Right now, I've waited for the sun to go behind a cloud and it's shady. It creates a different effect. And then the sun's gonna come out at this perfect, brilliant moment when I'm just explaining some kind of epiphany that I've had that's changed my whole life, and it's gonna just, it's not coming, is it? The longer that we don't edit for, the more we're really going to experiment and the more we're going to develop and grow, because we can't lean on making it look good later. We need to make it look good immediately. And that's the fast, authentic part. If you can just pull out your camera and make something interesting happen and hit post, you're going to have results with your business or your art or your creativity, whatever you're trying to contribute to the world. It's going to get contributed a lot faster if there's less steps. I know several of the students are making more content than they used to make, and they're showing more aspects of their lifestyle and their creations than they ever did before, which is amazing to see. I think I'm going to lose most of you before we get to black belt, because you only ever needed white belt. But anyway, if you're new, click the link in the description. Come do some 60-second challenges with us that will absolutely change the way you think about yourself, your confidence, and your ability to show up and distribute your message.